So Drip Network isn't looking so good right now, which is one of the keys to, of course, diversifying your portfolio. Now, I did really, really well with Drip, but I haven't been one of those people that have just constantly created content around Drip because I understand how the game of crypto is played and I understand that projects will come and go. So while people are watching the price of Drip go down, I'm doing the right research to potentially find the right projects that are very, very bullish right now. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to log into this back office of this project right here. This is something that I'm very, very excited about. Why? Because the chief legal counsel is a former SEC attorney. And what's cool about this specific project is there is a trading bot involved in it. But here's what makes it very, very different. Much like Novatech, if you guys are familiar with Novatech, it lasted for about 3 to 4 years. I see the potential of this project being much like Novatech because it pays up to 1% per day, but it varies. So it essentially states it's going to pay you between 0% all the way up to 1% per day. So if we log in here, you can see, I'm going to go over to the Kingdom AI bot. And if you are an affiliate marketer, there's a great affiliate compensation plan attached to this. And I highly recommend those of you guys that aren't affiliate marketers become affiliate marketers and start documenting your journey on what you're doing in the crypto space, the affiliate marketing space, the network marketing space when it comes to crypto, because these projects are hot right now and there's potential to make some good money with them. There's a full tutorial below that will show you how to get started on the ground-based level with affiliate marketing. So there's going to be a link in the description where you get access to a day-by-day paint-by-numbers video series on my other channel that will show you how to get up and running with affiliate marketing and teach you the basics so you can go ahead and you can learn how to promote stuff like this and share it with others. So again, let's jump back to this. So if we go to earnings right here, you can see that on September 28th, yesterday, we earned 0.85%. Day before was just 0.15%. We've got a couple more 1% here as well. And I was able to test this back on September 12th. I made a $2,500 deposit. And the cool thing is the AI bot is complimentary. That is not the backbone of MyDH Life. It's just simply complimentary. What's cool is if we go over here and we go to purchase package, you're going to see that there's a $2,500 package, $1,000, $500, and $100 package right here. Now, what's cool is you're not only earning off of the $2,500 here, and you're earning that complimentary AI bot trading that's between 0% to 1%, but also you get a cruise certificate. All you have to do is pay for activation. This is 5 days, 4 nights. You get 2 airfare and 2 nights hotel. You get 2 tickets to MyDH Life First Conference. And you get a bunch of digital courses, as you can see right here, in training. They also hold calls on a daily basis at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you can see that this is all you get with the Kingdom package. And you also get paid 300% off of your original deposit. So if you deposited $2,500, you're able to have the potential to get back $7,500, and you make roughly a maximum of 30% per month. And there's a small fee to go ahead and withdraw. You can withdraw through crypto. There's Cash App. Venmo is available sometimes depending. And there's also one other method of withdrawal. I think it's Zelle that you can withdraw from as well. So you have the King and Queen package right here, the Prince, Princess, and Earl and Countess package right here. You can see what you get respectively with each of those. But there's a full presentation for this in the description below. You can see that I've got $1,260 in my wallet. So far in commissions, we've had 30 people join and pay for a package up to this point in just 7 days. That's yielded $2,840 in commissions. Again, that's not any guarantee that you're going to earn the same amount, plus $277.50 in My Kingdom bot earnings, which takes us to, right around $3,000 in just 7 days that I've earned from my DH Life. So this is something that's very hot right now. Obviously, trends are important when it comes to crypto. Drip was a big trend for a while. And the people that made the most money were the people that got in at the beginning. Now, the cool thing about this has a 6-year track record, but they've recently relaunched in beta mode with their Kingdom bot. And so far it's running smoothly. Everything's looking good. Again, always deposit what it is that you can afford to lose. Anything can happen. But we keep playing this game because when we do win, we're able to win pretty big when it comes to these different programs. So the fact that this has been around for 6 years, the fact that the chief legal counsel is a former SEC attorney is pretty cool. And that's why a lot of people are loving this. So there's more information below. And make sure that you join my Telegram group because I let you guys know when these calls are being held on a daily basis. So you can go ahead and check out for yourself one of these calls. Don't just take my word for it, but jump on the calls, ask questions. But everything is below if you want to go ahead and learn more about my DH Life, along with other links that will help you to start earning commissions like this. Okay, there's a course that I recommend called HBA, the Home Business Academy, that walks you through everything that you need to know to start making money with affiliate marketing. So you can take the traffic strategies, the technical strategies where you learn how to create funnels. You see some of my funnels below. It'll lead you to different pages that are called landing pages. We show you how to create those. You learn so much when it comes to online marketing. You learn how to start a YouTube channel like this, amongst other things. They hold calls on a weekly basis. So if you want to start learning affiliate marketing, then everything is below to get you started up and running. So thank you so much for watching this video. Check all the links below. Join the Telegram group to get consistent updates. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Tick the bell icon so you can see me document my journey, my wins, my losses, everything in between. If you want to join me along the way, you can feel free to do that. Just understand that the risks. And we will see you guys in the next video. Take care.